DXYZ stock analysis and predictions for Monday and onward. This is the 15th of April. So, is Destiny Tech 100 stock a buy? Is the question. I'm answering that in this short 1 minute video. So, watch it till the end. Also, for the resource. We're sitting at 30.54. Astonishing 42% down. Like I said in the previous video, this is why I love my good no man's land area, because I really didn't care whether the price was, because when I made the video, the price was somewhere around here, you know. And then today, 5th, 12th of April, boom, we started going lower. This started really breaking through the lows. Like the only way that I was going to be bullish was if the price started breaking above 61.66. So that was something like that, you know. And this is obviously not financial advice, but that didn't happen. The rules were never here. They never met. This is why I love my strategy. So he never gave me the opportunity to first get in, you know. And I think that now with the XYZ, the hype is all kind of wore off, you know. So what I'm gonna do is just, I keep this on the chart because that's a beautiful W there. Just remove some of the stuff. Let me go to the daily chart. Even 4 hour, there still kind of comes around from this demand area, so this is actually kind of valid still. But honestly, if it starts going beneath that point here, and the point is 21.14, then I'm really concerned about it, right? So right now, if the price gives me double break, I'm still taking it higher, like overall. So waiting for those rules for more value and risk.